guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? In today's video, I'm going to be putting up a very quick keto and paleo friendly fried catfish. I love me some fried catfish, especially down here in the South, and we're going to be pairing that with some wonderful sauteed spinach with some garlic in it. And again, this is going to be both keto and paleo friendly, so stay tuned. We're going to be showing all the ingredients. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is some natural almond flour, and this is from Red Hill. I really like this, and this is from the whole almonds. It's got a kind of a rough texture to it, which I love for the crusting of the catfish to fry it up really beautifully. You're going to start out with about a cup in a dish, but you will be adding more almond as you need to as you are coating your fish. So it is subject to change, but start out with about 1 cup. Now go ahead and add your spices at this time. You will need some salt, about a teaspoon of that, some parsley flakes to taste, some other types of spices that you might like. I like the magic spice here, and some paprika and some black pepper. You can just change up these spices however you like and add as much or as little as you want, or totally omit, some of them. Now, I'm just going to show you this as an option. If you are not on paleo or not on keto, you might want to add some panko breadcrumbs into the mixture, maybe about 3 or 4 tablespoons, and it just adds a really nice crunch to the whole almond flour, but it is totally unnecessary. So if you are doing a strict keto or paleo diet, you can go ahead and omit the breadcrumbs. To a second bowl, add 2 eggs and whisk around briefly. And you might need to add 1 more egg later on, depending on the amount of catfish that you are frying. But start out with 2 eggs in a separate bowl. If you are doing the keto diet, go ahead and add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream into the egg mixture. If you are on paleo, you can go ahead and omit this. It won't harm anything, and the flavor will still be there. This is just to add some of the fat and creaminess into the mixture. Go ahead and prep your fish by cutting it in half. I usually like to cut it either in half or in thirds, and you're seeing about 2 pounds here. Go ahead and coat your frying pan now with some extra virgin olive oil. I use the one from Sprouts, but of course you can use whichever one you want. I usually coat the whole bottom of it just so that the fish has a really nice layer of oil to coat it and to cook evenly. Okay, begin by putting your fish in the egg mixture. Go ahead and coat it on both sides, and then put it into the crumb mixture that's in the other bowl, and go ahead and coat it nicely on both sides using your hands to pat down the crumbs on both sides and making sure that it adheres to the fish. Then go ahead and put it into the sizzling pan. You can usually get about 3 fish into like a 10-inch frying pan. That's what I'm using, and it's enamel coated so nothing will stick. Be sure that you keep your fire, if you have a gas fire, on a medium burn. If you have an electric stove, go ahead and put it on a medium heat so that you don't go ahead and burn the almond flour. The almond flour has a tendency to get dark very quickly. It doesn't lose its flavor. It's not going to be charred or anything, but just to let you know, if you want it more of a golden look and not a very dark brown, be sure to lower your heat. As a side note, you will see that I used some garlic and some scallions cut up to saute the spinach with, and it came out delicious. I didn't waste time on the video to actually show you how to do that, but it's very simple. Just put that into some olive oil and saute the spinach for a couple of minutes, and they will come out to perfection. So here is the final plate, all plated up. There are the catfish with the wonderful almond flour and the sauteed spinach on it. They were absolutely scrumptious. My family just devoured it. I hope that you guys make this recipe and leave me comments below on how it worked out for you. Remember, you can eliminate some of these ingredients based on your dietary needs, for example, the heavy cream or the panko breading, but all in all, this has been an absolute wonderful dish, and I hope that you and your family enjoy it. So please give this video a big fat thumbs up and share it to all your friends, and also subscribe to my channel because I do put up different videos on health and recipes, etc., etc. I love you guys very much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!